As we look forward to 2025, we have a lot to look forward to celebrate. We've got a exciting new attraction coming very soon that's going to be able to take our guests to the depths and the beauty of the Arctic. On top of that, we are also going to be excelling and hyping up a little bit more of our seasonal events, so there's more to come. We've got new food, eateries, as we say, in the park coming as well, and just so much more to celebrate. With that being said, as we jump into what is our first event of the year, the Seven Seas Food Festival, we're just excited to bring it even bigger and better than ever before. We've got over 190 different cuisines and beverages inspired by countries from all around the world. We've got exciting concert lineup. We've already announced quite a bit of our acts, and we've got so much more. And on top of that, this year we have added Fridays to our concert lineup. So now you've got not just Saturday and Sunday, but the full weekend to come in and sing and dance and enjoy all the festivities that we have here at SeaWorld. So as we go into it, we've got the amazing food, of course. Our culinary team has just really amplified some of their flavors. We've got some new menu items this year that we're excited to feature. So with that being said, we're gonna have our Chef Vargas, who is here in the center. He is one of the masterminds that have just really brought this menu to life. And so I'm gonna throw this over to him so he can give you a little spiel and tell you about the inspiration and also give you a little demonstration on one of his favorites. So Chef Vargas, take it away.
Testing. Hey, thank you very much, Jeanette. Let me follow up. So as Jeanette said, we have over 190 different cuisines. This year, Seven Seas, this event is also one of my favorites. And this one right here was inspired by someone very special to me on the team, my food and beverage director, Will, Puerto Rican descent. So this is our Caribbean beef pinchos, marinated in a Cuban crijo sauce overnight, grilled by our other executive sous chef. That's right, in this park we have two. And as the time goes by, hopefully we'll be expanding our culinary team to for you guys, actually, so that we can add new offerings throughout the park and be innovative and new flavor profiles and such. So here we have, as he's grilling our marinated pincho, about medium well. We can also cook it well done with a barbecue sauce that he's actually created from scratch with a Caribbean flair. This is going to be located in our Caribbean hut. Also there we have a delicious marinated chicken jerk, brushed along with our own homemade jerk barbecue sauce and marinade. So that's the first stop. You know, we wanted to make that first stop interesting, so there's another 18 to go from there. Now, to your left over there, we also have a shark sit-down restaurant. Hello, Sammy, sous chef Sammy. How you doing, buddy? We have JoJo and Elijah, our Sharks cooks, came over. We have a creation there now. I want you guys to help me put this out in print. Sharks is not included in the lanyards. This is not a la carte sit-down restaurant. So I don't want none of you guys coming in with a lanyard talking about, can I have a lobster cake with a punch? It's not gonna happen, guys. So as you guys fill up on the lanyards, another day you want to come in and check out our a la carte feature, which is going to be a lobster crab cake with a scallion vinaigrette. We have a pasta frutte de mare with a homemade lobster tomato sauce, mussels, head-on shrimp. Everything that in that plate is made in-house from scratch, true Mediterranean style. And also new for this year, we have a ube cheesecake with coconut flakes and white chocolate with the house-made, when I say house-made, we make it in-house, we don't bring it in, a blueberry compote, okay? So go over there and try that, take pictures, I hope you guys check that out. Now, throughout the rest of the event, which ends May 8th, we'll be adding extra special entrees for holidays. We'll have a Mardi Gras special, we'll have a St. Patty's special, we're gonna have a Cinco de Mayo special. I'm not going to tell you what it is. You guys are going to have to come out and check it out and then broadcast it for me. Also, last little tidbit, February 14th, Sharks on the Water Grill is going to have a special event for Valentine's Day. It is a 5-course meal with an amuse, intermezzo on the first seating. It's very intimate, only for about 109 guests, 106 guests. And then later on that evening, we have a special sommelier from Bessinger's. We're going to take the menu and pair it with the wine that is going to only be exclusive to here. So you guys get online, check that out. I'm gonna let you guys enjoy the rest of the event. We're gonna be floating around. Any questions, allergies, recipes, anything that you can think of, when you're gonna stop me, I'll answer all the questions the best that I can. And before I leave, I would like a round of applause for our culinary team that works tirelessly every single day to make this happen for you and for all the guests. I've been doing this a long time. This is one of the best culinary teams that I've ever had the pleasure to work for and with. Okay, you guys, enjoy the rest of the day. Welcome to SeaWorld 7 Seas 2025.